Hey, man, have you ever went out there and went to do a lithium golf cart? You put the lithium batteries in and the car don't run, or you went outside and the car don't run even without lithium batteries. I'm gonna show you the most important step of a lithium battery job, or the most common problem on an easy-go golf cart while the car won't run. All right, if you look back here on the back of your charging receptacle, all right, you'll see this here. The orange wire is plugged into the blue wire. All right, you can see that they're plugged into each other. All right, and what you want to do, unplug the clip, the harness side of the controller. The harness side of the charging receptacle plug, which is going to be the orange and the red wire. You want to tie it to your main positive. All right, so you want to take this here, which is the wire of your receptacle, and hook it to your main positive battery. Now I'm gonna show you on this car over here, because that one there, we're actually doing a lithium conversion now, and that's why we actually got to cut and bypass. But I'm gonna show you on this car right here that hasn't been messed with. All right, you look on your receptacle, you see your plug here, you got your orange and red wire, you have your blue wire. If you have this cart here, the EasyGo 48, go ahead and bypass it, man. Go ahead and do this. It will prevent you a problem from happening later on. All right. So I got the harness side of the charging receptacle. So I'm just letting that hang there. All right. I'm gonna cut this. I'm gonna cut this off, and I'm gonna hook it to my main positive right here. Put your eye end on it and hook it right there. And what that does, it bypasses the charger lockout side of the charging receptacle. All right. The purpose of this, let everybody know, the purpose of this is so you can't drive off with the charger plugged in, because the golf courses, they'll rip the cord out the wall every time because if it's bypassed. But as an individual, you should know better than just about to buy. You should know better than drive off with a charger plugged in. So hook the orange and red wire to the main positive. All right, simple as that, man. And like I said, I advise everybody to do it, even if you're not going lithium. If you're going lithium, you have to do it because you're doing away with the charging receptacle. All right, and you can see on this car here, we're going with the Bolt 51.2 volt battery. Now I would say this here about this battery here, man. We've been selling this battery about 5 years, never had none come back. All right. So if you want a good battery, come with a 10-year warranty, 5 years, free replacement, 6 years through the 10th, 20% prorated. But all right, man, I just wanted to show y'all that, man, how to bypass the charger lockout. If you haven't done it, go ahead and do it, man. It will save you a problem later on down the road. I ask y'all to do one thing, man. Watch some more of my videos and just comment below if you bypassed yours, or if you're going to, or just if you got something else you want to say. Comment, but the main thing is watch some more of my videos, man. Stay tuned, man.